Hi, this is Pat DeLuca. Welcome to DP2 Insights. In this video, we're going to be looking at Click Balance. Click Balance is a method in DP2 for making changes to images based on sampled values. You can get to it in Adjust Images by using the arrow in the lower right-hand corner. You'll need to have the Click Balance icon in the toolbar enabled. In Manage Images, it also has the Click Balance icon, but to actually make the changes, you'll use the Adjust Images window. In the Digital Analyzer, it's a similar strategy. You'll have a Click Balance icon. When you are in the preview of one image at a time, you'll see the Click Balance feature set in the upper part of your screen. We're going to use Adjust Images to go through these tools. So as I said earlier, what happens with Click Balance is that it uses a sample value from the image in order to drive the change. And it's important because if you are sampling the wrong part of the image, of course, you're going to get sometimes pretty dramatic results. So I'm going to start with the aim. The aim allows you to make color changes, red, green, and blue, as you can see here, and save those changes, those value changes, so that you can reuse them. So as you can see, I have a list here, and it is a table. Your table may start out empty. I'm pretty sure it does. Mine is not. But these are the values that I'm using. So what's going to happen is when I hover over the image and I have a set of values, DP2 is going to go ahead and drive the change based on the values that I selected. As you can see here, there's somewhat of a difference. I'm not going to worry about it too much, although I am going to improve it. I'm going to go ahead now and select the black. And now I want to be sure I'm not implying that you're going to need to use each one of these for all your images. I'm simply doing this so that you can see them and it was easier than bouncing in and out of different images. So I'm going to go ahead and try to drive the dark. So I've got this area behind this woman's head, and you can see it's changed the contrast. It's dramatically changed the shadow contrast, but not moved the highlight contrast at all. So I'm going to do that next. And I'll go ahead and make a change to the highlight contrast. So now we have an image that has been modified by the process of selecting a sample value and then asking DP2 to make changes based on that value. If you want to save those changes, when you're in a balance environment, we don't have the same strategy for saving a balance. So when I save a balance, and I'm just going to call this sample balance, this does not get saved to a table. You can't go back to the table to find those balances. It's kind of a transitory sort of change, but I can save it and I can reuse it. So that if I have this change, what I can do is go into recall, and then here's the series of these are the offsets, different from what has happened in Click Balance, but I can save those offsets and then apply them to one or many images, or I can use the same type of strategy so that I can select that balance, apply it to an image, or those offsets, apply them to an image and copy and paste them to one or more images. And that is a very quick overview of Click Balance. Thank you.